Senate Deputy Minority Leader Risa Ontiveros has filed a resolution aimed at investigating the implications on national security of reported incidents involving the use of fake documents by foreign nationals to pose as Filipinos. This follows reports from the Philippine Embassy in Bangkok, Thailand, where 4 Chinese nationals were apprehended for allegedly pretending to be Filipinos using Philippine passports, birth certificates issued by the Philippine Statistics Authority, and postal ID cards. Senator Ontiveros also mentioned the alleged offering of 1 million pesos to foreign students to enter Cagayan. For the lawmaker, it is crucial to determine if the Chinese government is involved in this matter.
Sa panahong kaliwat kanan ng pag-water cannon ng China sa mga Pilipinong barko, siguro may karapatan naman tayong maalarma. Siguro hindi naman masamang magduda. It is only natural that we look into if this is in any way related to Chinese harassment in the West Philippine Sea.
Meanwhile, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, chairperson of the Senate Committee on National Defense and Security, expressed readiness to investigate the issue. He believes that there may be a syndicate operating behind this scheme. The senator added that the issue should be investigated as it is alarming that some Chinese nationals are posing as Filipinos in other countries. The Senate is scheduled to reconvene next week for its session.
Yes, I've heard of several news about it, especially coming from outsiders, na pati mga passports na nag-i-issue sa mga Chinese nationals na hindi naman marunong Managalog, no, hindi naman marunong Pilipino. So, I think there's a syndicate. May mga sindikato din siguro na sa loob. Siyempre, baka kung ano gawin ng mga inchik doon sa tapos papanggap sila ng mga Pilipino sila. Ay kung magpanggap sila ng terorista tapos Pilipino yung Philippine passport yung magamit nila.